This is Tamara from mooglyblog.com, and I'm excited to be starting a new feature here on the Moogly YouTube channel, Yarn Love. This is where, once a month, I'll show you a yarn I love and tell you all about it. This month, I'm working with Red Heart to share their new yarn, Chic Sheep by Marley Bird. Follow the link in the description below to get this gorgeous yarn into your own stash. And here it is. This is Chic Sheep by Marley Bird and my own personal collection so far. I don't have all of the colors myself yet, and I've used up some of the colors I did have on some other projects. But here you can see all the colors of Chic Sheep by Marley Bird that are available. 24 in all. It's a great collection of colors, nice and strong hues, and you can create all sorts of great colorway options with these, including some ombre colorways and gradients, and you can really have a lot of fun and mix and match these colors. Now, let's take a closer look at the yarny details. You can see it is a worsted or Aran weight yarn symbol 4. In UK terms, that's a 10 to 12 ply, so really just a medium weight yarn, which is really useful. There are 186 yards or 170 meters in each ball. That's 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. And it's made out of 100% merino wool. Merino wool is known for its softness and non-scratchiness. Personally, I know I tend to be very sensitive to wool, especially around the neck. But merino wool is always the exception, soft as can be, and I can always wear this one with no issues and no scratching, no itching. It's always fantastic. But since it is wool, it also has great stitch definition and springiness. Here are a couple of swatches I've made with Chic Sheep by Marley Bird. I crocheted this square with HDC and an eye hook, and I knitted this one with 5mm needles. You can see the great stitch definition with both crochet and knitting, but you'll have to take my word for now on how great and squishy it really does feel. I've designed one pattern for Moogly so far using Chic Sheep by Marley Bird, the Irish Fling Clutch. I love the way the colors pop against each other and the way the yarn looks in the finished project. It makes some of the prettiest fringe I've seen. And there are lots of other free patterns you can check out using Chic Sheep by Marley Bird too. So many patterns I want to add to my own queue, both crochet and knitting. Right now, Red Heart Chic Sheep by Marley Bird is sold online only at redheart.com, and I've got links to the yarn and all the gorgeous free patterns I've just shown you linked below. Please do go check it out. You're going to love working with this yarn. I know I certainly do. And that's Yarn Love for Red Heart Chic Sheep by Marley Bird. I hope you've enjoyed this yarn review. If you did, please give it a like and let us know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.